I have some really cute little baby gerbils for sale or adoption. They're hilarious. They're very funny to watch, very lovable, and looking for new homes. Watch this. Isn't that cute? Okay, there's another one. We have some more back here with Mama. They're all a really unique color called Burmese or Siamese. Flip back. Watch. This is too funny. Watch. Hello. There's a auntie. Watch. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Oh, he's doing good. Actually, that's the girl. One of the girls. Yeah? She's doing good at that. There's another one. That's the Burmese color. They're really funny. Run, 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 run. That's the Siamese color. But we have 2 boys and 2 girls available for adoption. Here's one of the girls, I think, boy. We have 2 Burmese boys and 1 Burmese girl and 1 Siamese girl. So 3 girls and 1 boy left. Oh, there we go. Flip it over. Very cute. They like to hide and burrow, so give them lots of places to do that. Peekaboo. They like to do peekaboo a lot. And they stand up just like squirrels. Yeah. And they like to burrow and hide, and they really enjoy a lot of digging. So make sure they have a lot of places to dig and hide and burrow. And also chinchilla sand in that glass right there is wonderful. They like to take baths in that. They love to spin on the wheel, make sure it doesn't have holes, make it plastic so that their tails don't get stuck, and hide them out in a hideaway. Like that is good. Or like I did from what I had. It's also good. So whatever you have works. They're really cute. They're a lot of fun, and they love people. They're up all the time, always playing, jumping around, eating. They like to eat broccoli out of our hands, fresh broccoli, and they will fight over it. They love to eat it. They love to eat whatever you give them in your hands. If you have Cheerios, broccoli, anything that's very healthy for them, they will just pick it right out of your hands and sit in your hands sometimes to eat it. So they're really great for kids. All right? That's the story.